In front of me is CUBOT King Kong X, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by launching Settings and tapping on Security and Privacy. Then scroll down to tap on Device Unlock and hit Screen Lock. Now tap on one of those login methods to apply a perfect one for you. Create it, hit Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Then select Confirm. Now answer this question by tapping on one of the available options to adjust the lock screen notifications and tap on Done. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!